हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल, योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। हियर आई एम एट ब्लॉसम कैंपस एंड दिस इज द स्टोरी टाइम एट ब्लॉसम स्कूल। लेट्स प्रोसीड विद द महाभारत स्टोरी. Those who are new to my channel, please like and share with your friends. And also, if you have not subscribed to my channel up till now, then do subscribe to my channel and do let me know in the comment section as to what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. Let's proceed with the Mahabharata story. Today is the 9th episode. The way of action. What is superior, knowledge or action? Listening to Krishna, Arjuna was puzzled. He couldn't figure out which was superior, knowledge or action. If knowledge was the way, then why did he ask him to act? Krishna explained that both existed side by side. For no one lives without action, said he. And even if they don't want to, everyone has to act, since their nature forces them to. You can't even maintain your body without doing anything. And the person who focuses on the objects of the senses without acting is a hypocrite. But those who control their senses by the mind are honorable. When Prajapati created humans, he said, by sacrifice, may you prosper, for those who do not sacrifice are thieves. For they enjoy the gifts of the earth without returning any. Your action is thus your sacrifice. If you act, you turn the wheels of the world, and those who don't act lack purpose. The importance of action. Talking about himself, Krishna said that though he did not need anything, he kept on working as an example for all. For if he didn't work, the lazy will not work and the world will end. So it was essential for the wise to show light to the unwise and encourage them to work along right lines. Everyone must play their part, great or small. And that is the reason why Arjuna must act and leave its fruits to Krishna. But it has to be selfless action. The unwise did not see the value of selfless action and therefore suffered. One must do one's duty even if they fail. One must be faithful to it unto death. Doing so, even death brings blessedness. So this is what in the Mahabharata episode of this is what was in the Mahabharata episode 9. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.